Hello, my name is Joshua Brown from the expert interview training company howtobecome.com, and in this presentation I will teach you how to pass your Systems Analyst job interview. So if you have an interview coming up for any Systems Analyst job role with any company worldwide, then please make sure you watch this video from start to finish, because I promise to help you to stand out and succeed. So to achieve that goal, I'll start off by giving you a list of Systems Analyst interview questions that I strongly recommend you prepare for. I'll then provide you with example high-scoring answers to those questions to help you to succeed at the first attempt. Plus, I'll make sure to give you some essential tips for passing your Systems Analyst interview before finally telling you how you can instantly download these slides plus 30 great answers to Systems Analyst interview questions in a PDF guide. And just very quickly, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I want to help you to pass your interview by giving you brilliant answers to the toughest Systems Analyst interview questions. And I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please don't forget to hit that like button, because this tells me you find these tutorials useful. Oh, and don't forget to let me know where you're applying and the exact job title that you're applying for, so I can get back to you with even more interview tips and advice. Okay, let's move on to that opening interview question. Tell me about yourself, or it may be phrased as introduce yourself. Now, this is a brilliant opportunity to get your interview off to a flying start and really impress the hiring manager. You can be the standout candidate by focusing your answer on the skills and qualities that you have. Do not talk about your home life or your personal life unless it's relevant to the job role itself. Focus on your relevant work experience and your relevant academic experience and your passion for working in the job role. And don't forget to mention how you're going to add value to their team. How are you going to add value to their team and their organization in the role of a systems analyst? Now, a really simple and easy way to do all of these things is to make sure you study the job description in detail before your interview and make sure you match the skills and qualities that they've listed on that job description in your answer. So for example, if on the job description it states that they're seeking someone who is analytical with great communication abilities, then throughout your Systems Analyst interview answers, be sure to use those exact terms and back it up with examples and evidence of where you've previously demonstrated those skills and qualities. So here is my brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Tell me about yourself. Thank you for inviting me to interview for this position today. I am a highly efficient and reliable systems analyst with a proven track record of optimizing systems to meet organizational goals. With a strong background in system integrations and process improvement, I'm confident that my technical expertise and analytical skills will be of great value to your organization. As your systems analyst, I will assess and enhance the performance of your IT systems, ensuring they align with business objectives. I will identify opportunities for system enhancements and efficiencies, working closely with internal teams, project managers and stakeholders to deliver scalable, reliable solutions. I'm passionate about leveraging technology to create lasting positive impacts and believe I can help drive continuous improvement within your organization. Wow, what a powerful way to kickstart your interview and be that standout candidate. Remember, by giving a confident answer like this one here, you will not only impress the hiring manager, but you'll also gain confidence in the rest of your answers to come. Okay, let's move on to the next Systems Analyst interview question, which is, how do you handle assessing the quality and capabilities of a new system? Now, this question is being asked to evaluate your approach, to understand your approach to evaluating new systems and how you ensure they meet business requirements. So in your answer, emphasize a structured evaluation process, collaboration with stakeholders and testing. Highlight your ability to ensure systems meet technical and business goals. Here is a fantastic top scoring answer to help you. How do you handle assessing the quality and capabilities of a new system? When assessing the quality and capabilities of a new system, I take a structured approach. First, I ensure that I fully understand the business requirements and objectives the system needs to address. I then conduct a thorough technical evaluation, focusing on system performance, scalability, security, and compatibility with existing infrastructure. During this process, I collaborate closely with end users, stakeholders, and IT teams to gather feedback and identify any potential gaps or challenges. I also perform rigorous testing to validate that the system meets both functional requirements and long-term business goals. Ultimately, I look for ways to optimize the system to ensure it delivers high performance, reliability, and value to the organization. Now, don't go anywhere, as I still have plenty more Systems Analyst interview questions and answers to give you in this video, but when you're ready, and only if you want to, please click that link in the top right hand corner or in the pinned comment below the video. It will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can download my top 30 Systems Analyst interview questions and answers to give you the edge in your interview. Okay, let's move on to the next question. Explain to us how you handle complex end user requests that do not have documentation. So this question is being asked because the interviewer wants to know how you handle ambiguity and problem solving when there's limited guidance. So make sure you stress clear communication with users, investigation through technical methods like reverse engineering, and creating documentation for future use. Here is my brilliant top scoring answer to help you. Explain to us how you handle complex end user requests that do not have documentation. When faced with complex end user requests that lack documentation, I first focus on understanding the user's specific needs through in-depth discussions. I ask clarifying questions to capture the root problem and expected outcomes. Without existing documentation, I rely on reverse engineering existing systems, reviewing logs, or analyzing workflows to gain insights into how the system operates. I also collaborate with technical teams, subject matter experts, and the users themselves to gather as much contextual information as possible. Once I have a clear picture, I develop a tailored solution and ensure proper documentation is created for future reference. Throughout this process, I maintain open communication with the user to ensure the solution aligns with their needs and expectations. Okay, the next question is a real common one. Why should we hire you? Now, this question is being asked because they want to assess your confidence, your unique strengths, and how well you fit in the role and their company. And very importantly, crucially, they want to see what makes you stand out from the other candidates. So in your answer, highlight your technical skills, your experience, and your ability to bridge communication gaps between IT and stakeholders. Make sure you show enthusiasm for optimizing systems to meet business needs. That's really critical. So let me give you the perfect top scoring answer to help you. Why should we hire you? You should hire me because I bring a unique combination of technical expertise, analytical thinking, and a proven ability to align IT solutions with business objectives. With over a decade of experience in data analysis and system integration, I have consistently delivered scalable, efficient systems that enhance performance and reduce costs. I excel in bridging the gap between technical teams and stakeholders, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and that systems meet both functional and strategic needs. I am passionate about leveraging technology to drive continuous improvement, and I'm confident that I can bring immediate value to your organization by optimizing your systems for maximum efficiency and long-term success. So in preparation for your Systems Analyst interview, I also recommend you prepare answers to the following questions. Can you describe a time when you improved a system's performance? How should you prioritize competing tasks or projects? Can you describe your experience with systems integrations? How do you ensure that systems meet both technical and business requirements? How do you approach troubleshooting a system issue? What is your biggest weakness? Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Why do you want to work for us? How do you handle stakeholders with conflicting priorities? What is your experience with system documentation? How do you ensure system security during development or implementation? So they are just some of the questions that you should be preparing for. But if you want to get the full list of all 30 Systems Analyst interview questions, and if you want to accelerate your learning even further to pass your interview at the first attempt, then click that link right now in the top right hand corner of the video or in the pinned comment below for 2 reasons. The first reason is it will take you through to my website, howtobecome.com, where you can get all of these answers we just covered, plus a total of 30 brilliant responses to System Analyst interview questions in a PDF guide. And secondly, the next reason is I've given you 3 smart questions to ask at the end of your Systems Analyst interview on that page. It's a brilliant resource, guaranteed to help you prepare effectively for your interview, and also, more importantly, put you ahead of the competition. Make sure you check out that link. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Please don't forget to subscribe, as I'm on a mission to help as many people as possible pass their job interviews, and I can only do that if you are subscribed. Please also hit that like button, as that encourages me to make more videos just like these. And if you have any questions regarding any specific job role or interview, do let me know in the comment section below, where I'll get back to you with even more interview tips and advice. And finally, please don't forget to connect with me on LinkedIn. I've put my LinkedIn link in the description below. It's always great to connect with like-minded professionals such as yourself. Thank you so much for watching. I wish you all the best with your interview. Have a brilliant day.